Hey everyone, here is the Wallet app. The Wallet, yeah. So here, as you can see, there is no actually the Wallet mobile app. You can only kind of use the Wallet in Telegram. So as you can see, so I will just try to show you. So if I just go to settings and then Wallet, and then for example, here you can see, so this is Telegram wallet, as I can see. So that's not that. So basically what I need to do is I just need to search, for example, Notcoin, and then open app. And for example, if I want to add a different wallet, then from here I will have the wallet bot, for example. So this is you just need to sign in into your Dewallet account, and then you can just go and create your wallet from here. Or you can just go and search for add Dewallet bot from here, add Dewallet. So there you have it.